If you say you care about the environment but are still drinking alcohol, watch this video to get yourself educated because alcohol is terrible for the environment, especially fresh water, which is going to become a scarcity in the near future. Coors Brewing Company alone wasted 4,774,000,000 gallons of fresh water straight out of the Colorado River, which used to be some of the purest water in America, is now some of the most polluted water. Let me just break down this math for you. So 22 million barrels, 31 gallons in each barrel, 682 million gallons. Now, if we take a look at how much fresh water, fresh, clean water that we could be drinking, using to irrigate our crops, 7 barrels to 1 barrel of beer. So we multiply that 682 million times 7. That is 4 billion 777 million gallons of fresh water wasted on a piss drink that makes people have a real terrible attitude, hurt themselves and others. This is a travesty. And this is just one company that's wasting 4 billion plus gallons of fresh water a year. Think your glass of wine is harmless? Definitely not. 872 gallons of water for 1 gallon of wine produced. In the US alone, 773 million gallons of wine were produced in 2021. Multiply 773 million times 872, that ratio that I told you about before, 674 billion 56 million gallons of water wasted per year for a little glass of wine per person. This is not something that we can just say, oh yeah, it's culturally normal. Oh yeah, go have a little glass of wine, go have a beer. This is the fate of our fresh water. What we use to bathe, to brush our teeth, to drink. This is not something that we can just be so freaking frivolous with. Oh my goodness. Like, whatever minor enjoyment that comes with your poisoning and sickness that alcohol does for you, it's not worth 40 years from now ourselves and our future generations of children bathing in water that's so toxic that it burns the skin.